Looking at HLOOKUP function. So this is your master file. So in this HLOOKUP, what it will do is it will look up horizontally for the employee code. This is the example which we are taking, and these are the details of the employees. Okay, these are the details of the employees. Okay, so this is one sheet which we can say this is the master file, which we want to refer into another sheet. So there is one more sheet. I've given the name sheet. So here are the employee codes, and we want to pick up salary, name, age and city from the master. Salary, name, age and city, we want to pick it from here. So what we will do is, we have got this employee code as a reference. So here we will enter the function. So HLOOKUP, then I will refer this employee code, then I will go to the master. From here till here, I will select the area. Okay. Now salary comes in the second. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to put $1 here because I want to keep that area fixed. So this being the second field, this is the second, this is the third, this is the fourth and this is the fifth. So what we'll do is I'll copy this formula to the bottom. So for example, for A9001, if I make it say 60,000, so this amount should get reflected automatically over here. Okay. Now let us see how to copy the formula from here to here. Now here what we will do is we want to use the field A3 as employee. So similarly we will be copying this formula here, but there is a slight change here. Here we will, the employee code remains same. Okay, B1 to H5. Next field for name is the third one, so that will be here. Then again what we will do is we will copy this formula till the end so that all the names get copied. Okay, again we will copy from here to here. Again we will change because the reference field is employee code is A3. Again B1, this is the fixed area in the master, and this is the fourth field. So this is the age which is getting copied. So Anil Kapoor is 88. Okay, so we will copy this till the end. Right. Then again we will copy this formula here and make the changes. A3 is the field. B1 to this is the fifth. Right. So this is the way everything gets copied. Now if you make any change here, or let us say you have copied these formulas here, let us say you have copied it here, and if you enter employee code says C90023, then it will get copied from the master. So that is the way the HLOOKUP function works. Okay, thank you.